Are you overwhelmed with the upkeep and maintenance of your rental property? Well, finding the best property management can help. I'm Christine Lurie, real estate broker with At Properties, and I'm going to tell you how to find the best property manager in your area. The first thing you can do is ask for referrals. Talking to people you know and trust, like your friends and neighbors, local realtors, and contractors, is an excellent place to start. Don't just take their recommendation blindly. Make sure you ask questions about their strengths and weaknesses and look for their reviews and mission statements online. In addition to researching their recommendations, you can also search for additional options. Websites like allpropertymanagement.com and the National Association of Residential Property Managers are great resources to search for property managers in your area. Some things you'll want to look for are proper licenses and certifications, fees and payment schedules, and check to see if they take care of the rental taxes that are due to the city after collecting rent, or if it's your responsibility. Lastly, doing site visits is a great way to evaluate a property management company firsthand. Look for red flags like trash in and around the property and obvious necessary repairs. Also, ask to speak with some current tenants and ask questions like, have their complaints been addressed? How long will the repairs take? How is the noise level? For more information or help on your search, be sure to give me a call anytime. Again, I'm Christine Lurie, real estate broker with At Properties, and as always, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live.